If you're a woman over 60 and wondering why your skin still looks tired despite drinking plenty of water and using expensive creams, what I'm about to share might completely change how you think about aging skin. Because the problem isn't your age, and it's not even your skin. It's what's happening beneath the surface that nobody's talking about. Welcome to BioWell Hub, where we explore the real science behind healthy aging. I'm here to share evidence-based insights that help you understand your body better, and today we're diving into something fascinating. Why plain water alone isn't enough to keep your skin firm and glowing after 50. Here's what most women don't realize. After menopause, your circulation changes dramatically. Blood flow slows down, which means all those nutrients that keep skin firm, hydrated, and youthful simply aren't reaching the surface anymore. That's why your face might feel thinner, your complexion looks tired, and those fine lines keep deepening no matter how much collagen you take or how many serums you apply. It's not just aging, it's something called nutrient starvation at the cellular level. The key player in this whole process is a tiny molecule called nitric oxide. Think of it as the delivery driver for your skin. Nitric oxide signals your blood vessels to open up, allowing oxygen, collagen, and other vital nutrients to travel to the deeper layers of your skin where renewal actually happens. Without enough nitric oxide, it's like having a road with closed gates. All that collagen you're taking, it simply can't reach the cells that need it most. And here's the challenging part. After menopause, nitric oxide levels can drop by nearly 60%. That's because estrogen, which helps produce nitric oxide, naturally declines. When this happens, your capillaries tighten, circulation slows, and your skin receives less of everything it needs. This is why so many women feel like their aging suddenly accelerated after 50, even though nothing else in their lifestyle changed. Many women respond by doubling their collagen supplements or switching to richer creams, but they still feel their skin is dull and unresponsive. The missing piece isn't what you're applying or even consuming. It's whether your body can actually transport those nutrients to where they're needed. So what's the solution? It starts with understanding that hydration isn't the same as circulation. Plain water keeps you hydrated, but it doesn't actively deliver collagen or oxygen to the dermal layers where firmness and elasticity are restored. By your late 50s and early 60s, even if you're drinking enough water, your blood vessels may remain tight and unresponsive. That's why you can feel hydrated, but still look tired. The transformation happens when you enrich your water with natural compounds that stimulate and support nitric oxide. Let me share 5 powerful ingredients that work together to restore circulation and collagen delivery from within. First, beetroot powder. It's one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This opens those tiny capillaries under your skin, allowing nutrients to reach where renewal happens. Women who use beetroot-enhanced water often describe their skin as looking more awake and luminous from within, usually within 2 to 6 weeks. Second, pomegranate. While beetroot builds nitric oxide, pomegranate protects it from breaking down too quickly. It's rich in polyphenols that preserve nitric oxide and shield your existing collagen from enzymes that try to break it down. This means better circulation that lasts longer, helping your skin feel stronger and less fragile. Third, citrulline from watermelon. This amino acid gets converted into arginine in your bloodstream, producing nitric oxide very efficiently. It's especially powerful for improving elasticity in areas that show aging first, like your neck, jawline, and under eye region. Women often notice their skin holds its shape better and feels less paper thin. Fourth, pine bark extract. This ingredient is remarkable because it actually helps repair the blood vessels themselves, the highways that carry collagen to your skin. Studies show it can improve skin elasticity by 44% and reduce wrinkle depth by 35% over 12 weeks. Finally, leafy greens powder. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and natural nitrates, this ingredient helps sustain all these improvements over time. It supports your skin's natural renewal rhythm, helping it stay calmer, better hydrated, and more balanced day after day. The beautiful thing about this approach is that it's not about chasing youth. It's about gently reconnecting your skin with what it once knew: proper circulation, nourishment, and repair. When nitric oxide flows freely, when collagen is protected, and when renewal is supported, your skin doesn't try to look younger, it simply starts to look healthier and more alive. This is BioWell Hub, and if this video brought you clarity or insight, I'd love for you to like, subscribe, and share it with other women who might benefit. Let's continue this journey toward healthy aging together, because you're never too late to begin supporting your skin from within. Thank you for being here.